See, our third lesson is Maharashtra Sardar, the famous house of the Bhosles. Bhosle's famous house. That was the great Maharashtra Sardar. So let's see what is here in the lesson. First is period of unrest. As the sun preached devotion to God, the brave Maratha Sardar started a tradition of bravery. In second lesson, we learn how the sons did work for the people of Maharashtra. This was a period of great unrest. And after inspiration from the sons, Sardars from the Maharashtra started to live bravery with the brave. The two sultans, the Adil Shah of Bijapur and the Nizam Shah of Ahmednagar. That also we learned in the previous lesson. But you are making confusion. See here, Adil Shah is Sultans of Bijapur. You remember that A and B. Adil Shah, Bijapur, and the Nizam Shah of Ahmednagar, N.A. A.B. Na, Adil Shah Bijapur, Nizam Shah Ahmednagar. Got it? Were constantly at war with each other because they divide the whole Maharashtra. They come from out and divide the Maharashtra in two parts, Adil Shah and Nizam Shah, and but they are not cooperative with each other. That's why they are fighting. They made use of the armies of Maratha Sardars in these wars, and in the war they are using the armies, that soldiers are from our Maharashtra, the brave Maratha Sardar. The Maharashtra were both brave and tough. They were also fearless and loyal to their master. All Sardars are doing their work honestly. They were very proud of their achievements of the battlefield. Battlefield means the place where the battle, means the fight, takes place. The brave Maratha soldiers with a spear in hand and a sword at the side would ride in his Sardar's cavalry. All the Maratha Sardars had their own private army. If such a Sardar went to the Sultan with his army, the Sultan gave him employment, made him a Sardar of his kingdom, means wherever the soldier went, that the Sultan from that place give him the work and make him the Sardar of his kingdom, and sometimes conferred a Jahangir upon him. The Sardar who received such a Jahangir considered himself a Raja, means he became a Raja of that place. There were many famous Maratha Sardars at the court of Ahmednagar and Bijapur. The more famous among them were the Jadavs of Simkhed, Nimbarkar of Paltan. You remember these places and the name of person, Nimbarkars of Paltan and Ghorpades of Mudhol, Mores of Javli, Bhosles of Verur. Means this Bhosles family from Verur. The Simkhed Jadavs were descendant of the Yadavs of Devgiri. Jizabai, the mother of Shivaji Maharaj, was the daughter of Lakhojirao Jadhav of Sinkhed. Means the Lakhojirao Jadhav from Sinkhed and his daughter Jizabai. She was the mother of Shivaji Maharaj. Next point is tradition of Vellore. All these Sardars were brave, but many of them were sworn enemies of one another. They never thought that they should unite and do something for their own people. Means all the soldiers are from Maharashtra and they are brave and very strong people, but they are divided into the army of Adil Shah and Nizam Shah, and they are fighting with each other, but they never thought we are the stronger ones, so we can do something for our people. So all their valor and bravery served the interest of others. Even so, they kept alive the warlike spirit, especially among the young. The young people are they that time they got a special spirit. Many famous soldiers were born in their families who kept alive the tradition of warlords. Among the famous families, the Bhosle of Verur showed a great bravery and enterprise. From them, Bhosle family, that was from Verur, they showed their bravery and enterprise. Now, next point is the temple of Grishneshwar. It was about 400 years ago. The temple of Grishneshwar near Verur cave, was falling to pieces. The walls had developed cracks. The prince also had desecrated the temple. Thus, the temple, which was built in honor of a great god, was totally neglected. All the deities who came there mourned over the sorry state of the temple, but no one thought of repairing it. All people coming there and talking about the temple, so bad conditions of this temple, but no one is taking action to repair the temple. The great deity of Shiva visited the temple regularly. Means regularly the deity of Shiva means Mahadev visiting there to the temple, but no one thinking about the repairing of the temple. He would put flowers and bell on the lingam, means Shivlinga, and express his innermost thought to the god. He carried out extensive repairs to the temple and restored it to its original condition. He also made arrangements for the proper maintenance of the temple. So one great deity of God Shiva visiting to the temple, and he think about the repairing of the temple, and he also did some work for the maintenance of the temple. Now there were lights both inside and outside the temple, and the lost grandeur of Grishneshwaram was restored. Who was this deity? Who did all this? He was Maloji Raje Bhosle, who did the repairing of Krishneshwar temple, Maloji Raje Bhosle. See, here is the picture of Maloji Raje Bhosle. He was the great devotee of God Shiva. Here is who was this Maloji Raje Bhosle, and what is the relationship between our Shivaji Maharaj, that we can see in the chart given here. See, Bhosle family tree. Babaji Raje Bhosle. He was the father of Maloji Raje. And Maloji Raje is the elder son. And younger son was Vithoji Raje. And this Maloji Raje has two sons. That Shahaji Raje and Sharifji Raje. And Shahaji Raje was the father of Shivaji Maharaj. Means this Maloji Raje is the grandfather of Shivaji Maharaj. So what work he did, that we will learn in next class. Okay.